All right, so here's our last example. Most of the examples you're going to have in Math Excel are just going to give you the equation. So read through the problem. It'll have your scatter plot and everything. But if you read through the paragraph, it tells you your equation for the trend line. And the purpose of this is so that everyone has the same answer, since we could all slightly draw slightly different lines, which then would give us slightly different trend lines. So to help us all out, Math Excel is going to give you a trend line like I just did in this one. So the equation of the trend line is, for this graph, y equals 0.3x plus 5. So we want to know how much will a movie ticket cost in 2020. So looking at our table, or even looking at our graph, it says year since 2000. So 2020 is 20 years after 2000. So that means that x is going to equal 20. So I'm going to do y equals 0.3 times 20 plus 5. So 0 times 3, or yeah, 0.3 times 20 is 6. So it's 6 plus 5, and 6 plus 5 equals 11. And so in 2020, a ticket will cost $11, or $11 in 2020. Oh, that was a wonderful box that I just drew. Not one of those days. All right, my 2 back there. My cursor keeps disappearing on me. There we go. All right, so when did the average, moving to the next one, when did the average movie ticket cost $6.50? So we would put $6.50 in for y. So that's my y value, because we're talking about the revenue, would equal 0.3x plus 5. So we're going to start by subtracting 5. So we're going to have 150 equals 0.3x. Divide by 0.3, and x will equal 5. And so that's 5 years since 2020. So in 2005 is when we would expect the cost to be $6.50 per movie ticket. If we wanted to check about actual, it was averaging about $6.41. So, I mean, not terribly far off, because that's 9 cents away. But um, again, with our trend lines, it's an estimation. Like, if the trend keeps going as it is, this would be the approximation of how much a ticket would cost in such and such year. So that's how we can use it. Again, really, when it comes to using your trend lines, it's plugging in either a value for your x or a value for your y and solving the rest of your equation to find the other value. Until next time, 8th graders, peace out.